SMOGCHILL, breathe easy again. In the heart of progress, a silent threat lurks. Industrial smoke chokes our cities, pollutes our lungs, and threatens our future. But amidst the smog, a beacon of hope emerges. Introducing SMOGCHILL, the revolutionary cold filter device designed to breathe life back into our air. SMOGCHILL is no ordinary air filter. It's a technological marvel, harnessing the power of the earth to condense smoke 100 times over. Deep beneath the surface, a network of pipes tap into the cool embrace of the earth, chilling the system efficiently and sustainably. But SMOGCHILL doesn't just trap the smoke. It transforms it. Using advanced technology, the captured particles are converted into a valuable byproduct, aerogel. Aerogel, a material lighter than air, with extraordinary insulating and absorbent properties, holds immense potential for a range of industries. With SMOGCHILL, clean air is no longer a luxury, it's a reality. We can breathe easy again, knowing our skies are protected, our health preserved, and our future brighter. Join us in this revolution. Let's make SMOGCHILL a symbol of hope, a testament to our commitment to a cleaner, healthier planet. Together, we can breathe easy again. Call to action, visit our website or contact us today to learn more about SMOGCHILL and how you can be part of the solution.